Hello students, myself Miss Mukadam Tabassum and I am here with your new video, The Quangle Wangle's Hat. So we will start here our interesting poem. On the top of the crumpety tree the Quangle Wangle sat, but his face you could not see on account of his beaver hat. For his hat was 102 feet wide, with ribbons and ribbons on every side, and bells and buttons and loops and lace, so that nobody ever could see the face of the Quangle Wangle Quee. So the first stanza of the poem builds the background of the poetic narration, and the first two lines give the introduction of the Quangle Wangle, that he is sitting on unusual place like at the top of the crumpety tree. Now you might be having question, what is crumpety tree? Then crumpet is the griddle cake made from flour and yeast, and crumpety tree that gives an air of unusual playfulness to the tone of the poem. Just for the playfulness tone, they said the crumpety tree. Then in the third line they say us that we can't see his face, and also they are saying here the hat is 102 feet wide and there are ribbons and ribbons on every side. उसके hat के हर side में ribbons and ribbons है, and also bells, buttons and lace and everything is there on his hat. मतलब पूरी hat जो है वो decorated की हुई है, so that हम कोई भी उसका face देख ना सके, so that nobody ever could see the face. Now the second stanza is, the Quangle Wangle said to himself, on the crumpety tree, jam and jelly and bread are the best of food for me. But the longer I live on his crumpety tree, the plainer than ever seems to me that very few people come this way, and the life on the whole is far from gay, said the Quangle Wangle Quee. In the second stanza, the Quangle Wangle is saying that he is living a comfortable life with the bread, jelly and jam. बट हाउ लॉन्ग ही इज़ गोइंग टू लीव देयर अलोन. वो वहाँ पे अलोन है, अकेला है, क्योंकि उसकी हेड जो है वो प्लेनर है, वहाँ पे कोई आता जाता नहीं है. एंड दैट लाइफ ऑन द होल इज़ फार फ्रॉम गे. वहाँ पे कह रहा है ना, फ्यू पीपल कम दिस वे. सो ही इज़ लिविंग अ वेरी कंफर्टेबल लाइफ इवन दो हिज लाइफ ऑन द होल इज़ far from gay. Here gay means happy and plainer means clearer, that उसकी जो हैट है वो पूरी क्लियर है, वो अकेला वहाँ पे रहता है, कुछ फ्यू पीपल ही वहाँ पर आते जाते हैं, लेकिन उसकी लाइफ जो है हैप्पीनेस से बहुत दूर है. नाउ द थर्ड स्टैंजा इज, but there came to the crumpety tree Mr. and Mrs. Canary, and they said, did ever you see any spot so charmingly airy? But we built a nest on your lovely hat. Mr. Quangle Wangle, grant us that. Oh, please, let us come and build a nest. Oh, please, let us come and build a nest of whatever material suits you best. Mr. Quangle Wangle Quee. So now in the third stanza, there comes Mr. and Mrs. Canary, two small birds, and approaches the Quangle Wangle saying that, can we live on your lovely hat? Why? Because they are अमेज्ड टू सी द ब्यूटीफुल बिग हैट. वो बहुत देख के खुश हुए, उनको बहुत अच्छा लगा वो क्वैंगल वैंगल की बहुत बड़ी हैट, तो इसलिए उन्होंने पूछा क्या हम यहाँ पे अपना नेस्ट बांध सकते हैं. एंड देन व्हाट हैपन, दैट क्वैंगल वैंगल्स allowed them to build a nest on his hat. Now the fourth stanza is, and besides to the crumpety tree came the stork, the duck and the owl, the snail and the bumblebee, the frog and the fimblefowl, and all of them said, we humbly beg we may build out homes on your lovely hat. Mr. Quangle Wangle, grant us that. Mr. Quangle Wangle Quee. In the fourth stanza, many more creatures like the stork, the dog, the owl, the snail and the bumblebee, the frog and the fimblefowl all came to beg him grant them the permission to build their homes on his lovely hat. तो ये सारे के सारे उसके पास आए उससे परमिशन लेने के लिए कि आपके लवली हैट पे हमें अपना घर बांधने के लिए अलाव करो. The fifth stanza now. And the golden goose came there, and the furble who has no toes, and the small Olympian bear, and the dog with the luminous nose, and the blue baboon who played the flute, and the Orient calf from the land of Tute, and the Atri squash, and the bisky bat, all came and built on the lovely hat of the Quangle Wangle Quee. So in this stanza, The stanza introduces many other characters like Golden Goose, Pobble, the small Olympian bear, the dong, the blue baboon, Orient calves, Etrus squish, Bisky bat. So everyone, they want to come and build on the lovely hat. Now the fourth stanza is: the Quangle Wangle said to himself on the crumpety tree, when all these creatures move, what a wonderful noise there will be! And at night by the light of the mulberry moon, they danced to the flute of the blue baboon on the broad green leaves of the crumpety tree, and all were as happy could be with the Quangle Wangle Quee. Now the last stanza, that is the closing stanza. Quangle Wangle is very happy about the thoughts of hearing noises around him. Okay, and also the creatures are going to settle down on his head. So now he is no longer lonely to express his happiness. Then also they are going to dance together on the flute of blue baboon. So the poem ends with a statement that they are all happy on the crumpety tree. So in this way, it is a very simple and easy, interesting poem of all the creatures that settle down on the Quangle Wangle's hat on the crumpety tree. So if you like this poem, press the like button. And if you अब तक अगर आपने इसको सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है, then subscribe my channel. We will meet in our next video. Bye bye. Thank you.